Hi, it's Kurt, Walco Seed Cleaning. Thanks for watching again. I get a lot of people asking, why do I need to pickle my grain? I suppose really the big thing is that farmers just take it for granted that that's what they need to do. And obviously us as professionals, we need to sort of elaborate why you guys need to actually pickle your grain. Now, disease is a big issue in paddocks and farming practices this day and age. Your common pickles that you use control all your smuts and bunts. It's pretty basic, simple stuff, fairly cheap when you're only looking at around $3 a hectare for this area. There's other more seed treatments coming on the market that are more elaborate, targeting net blotch, pythium, rhizoctonia. There's quite a few on the market now, which if you want to know more, basically just feel free to give us a ring. Talk to your agronomists. They're the experts that know your paddock more than what we do, of course. But we're happy to guide you and advise you on what we think is suitable for what you have, and also whatever fits in your budget too. So there's always options available. So yeah, feel free to give us a call. But end of the day, if you don't pickle, it could end up costing you more than what your farm's worth. That's pretty tragic. It doesn't happen for a long time, but one day it will happen. Like I said, only $3 a hectare roughly for your cheaper pickles, and it is cheap insurance. And that way, you're going to, whatever seed you have for this year, whatever you keep over, you're going to be safe and secure knowing that they're pretty much going to be a disease-free crop for the year after. So feel free, give us a call anytime. I'll catch you later, and thanks for watching.